Meaning of distracting.
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 Distracting. The term distracting refers to something that draws attention away from the task at hand or disrupts an individual's focus. The result of being distracted can lead to decreased productivity, poor performance, and potentially dangerous situations. For example, if a driver becomes distracted while behind the wheel, their ability to safely operate the vehicle is compromised, increasing the risk of an accident. Similarly, if a student is distracted while studying, they may struggle to retain information and perform poorly on exams. Thus, reducing distractions and maintaining focus is important for achieving success in various domains.